Hi, what is sex education? Sex education means learning about our body functions, and according to the age, what happens, what are all the changes happening in our body, in our mind, and necessary other things like menstruation, whether it is normal or it is a dirty thing, or erection, ejaculation for males, nocturnal emission. People will learn their own body and their functions. Further, they learn what are all the things they should do, what are all the things they should avoid. Avoid taking alcohol, avoid taking cigarettes, unwanted sexual activities. So, by educating properly according to the age, we can prevent many things: unwanted pregnancies, sexual transmitted diseases, HIV, and addiction, alcohol addiction, drug addiction. We can prevent, we can tell them these are all the things can happen. You have to take a decision at that time. You can avoid all these things. If we don't tell, the first cigarette and first beck of the alcohol will be provided freely. They indulge in that, then slowly they become addicted to alcohol and smoking. If we tell them that you should say no, even your peers pressuring you, tell them no. No to sex, no to alcohol, smoking, and drugs. So we inform them early, they will be ready with the answer. When situation comes, they'll act properly. So sex education is a comprehensive education. It's very important. So who can give the sex education? Sex education should be given by parents initially. It is not as early as possible. When kid is watching the TV and there is a pregnant woman or something like that, napkin, sanitary napkin, condom ads, so they can initiate some about the pregnancy, about use of sanitary napkin, many things. Menstruation, what is menstruation? It's a cycle occurring in the body, and how pregnancy occurs. Egg and sperm, they meet and they become an embryo and they become pregnant, something like that. We can start from the basic. Age advances, we can teach them sexual abuse. So we see large number of sexual abuses cases, around 64-65 percentage of women, girl child, they are abused, and 54% of male child, they are male kids, they are affected. In these cases, we have to priorly we have to educate them how to react, how to run out of, or how to say no to all these things. We can tell them whenever someone is misbehaving, the kid should say no, stop. Boldly they have to say. Then that abusing person will be hesitant, will be fearful, he'll stop. So that attitude we have to develop to the kids. Without doing that, a person is abusing a kid, child will be panic. A child may not know what to do. So a child will be confused and the person will be taking advantage of this confusion. So only educating, only through sex education, we can prevent sexual abuse. There is no other means. Thank you.